put it down. Don't break your head.
So you didn't. It was not you could have done. It was a hard one.
It's now you want to start packing, bro.
Hmm?
You have your whole fucking week.
A whole week, ba?
Exactly. You can still pack, like, it's still Friday. I packed in one day. On Sunday.
Packed in one day, ba?
Yeah, I packed on Sunday.
So I can just wait till maybe like Friday, Saturday.
Anything can happen.
I say who?
It's a game.
I'm telling you.
Pregnancy.
Thank you so much.
You're not going to know how you feel.
You'll be alright.
I swear. Everybody will be up eventually, man. That's just the game. Sure.
At least you stood up today. Thank God for
As in, her own was even very unexpected. I can't believe she stood up.
Can we skip to Friday or Saturday?
I know, right?
I
will get drunk on Friday.
I just want to
I will get drunk on Saturday. On Sunday, I'll be like, bring it on, bitches!
I really need to just mentally prepare myself.
You don't know what's happening on the outside.
You don't.
You don't know.
You don't.
And I tell people, like, if the supporters just like you for one thing, okay, that's it. BBN supporters are the strongest. They don't change, they don't waver.
Yeah.
Once they like you, like, kill somebody, they sit at your back.
Yeah.
That's what they be. So you just remain, they stay calm. You don't know how it is
Yeah,
outside.
exactly.
You're catching waves or you're not catching waves.
Yeah, sure.